Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the Friday following the 29th of November, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will want to keep up with crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of artificial intelligence to receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of October, 2024, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.82. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 20%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 0.87% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an attractive buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $4.30 is breached, it may signal a more pronounced decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately negative 11.27% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 14.87% to positive 31.89%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it implies a potential change of negative 25.02% over the next year, with a possible return varying between negative 59.99% and positive 14.43%. This corresponds to a price range from $1.79 to $5.13 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for NIO Stock Price After Friday Trading. The NIO stock price experienced an increase of 2.4% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of November, 2024. It rose from $4.38 to $4.48. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.9%, reaching a low of $4.36 and a high of $4.53. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.01% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day by 14 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares exchanged for approximately $129,580,000. It's important to consider that a decline in volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $9.57, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price stands at 53.19%, or $5.09, below the 52-week high, and 93.31%, or $62.51, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is currently under significant scrutiny as Wall Street analysts revise their projections for the stock. Recently, Goldman Sachs lowered its rating on NIO from neutral to sell, establishing a target price of just $3.90. This decision arises from concerns regarding NIO's product pipeline and financial performance in an increasingly competitive global electric vehicle market. Despite NIO's expansion efforts, which included the delivery of 61,855 vehicles in the third quarter, representing a year-over-year increase of 11.6%, the company remains unprofitable. Market sentiment has been further dampened, with analysts like Macquarie also downgrading NIO, citing weaker demand. As the company grapples with challenges in ramping up production, its stock price is likely to experience bearish pressure in the short term. However, NIO's management has conveyed optimism about future growth, pointing to expected improvements in cash flow and the introduction of new brands. The outlook for revenue growth appears positive, with estimates suggesting a potential 60% increase by 2025, which translates to a target price around $6.63. Looking further ahead, projections indicate continued revenue growth, with potential stock values reaching as high as $25.89 by 2030. In the short term, the analysts' downgrades may suppress NIO's stock price, reflecting investor caution and uncertainty regarding its profitability and competition. Conversely, successful execution of new models and battery swap technology could yield positive long-term growth, positioning NIO favorably in the expanding electric vehicle market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Macquarie also rated NIO with an outperform grade and an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup reported that NIO received a buy grade while opting for a hold action. On that same date, Morgan Stanley graded NIO as overweight, with a hold action. Additionally, on September 30th, Daiwa assigned NIO a buy grade, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also indicate a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 3.58%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could impact short-term developments. The stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $4.58 and $5.05. A breakout above either of these levels will issue buy signals. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, indicating a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 12 days ago. Short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average pointed to a buy signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average provided a sell signal 35 days ago. Long-term moving average showed a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.17 between its high and low points, which is 3.9%. For the past week, the the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.33%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can have downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 4th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 29 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.85. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $4.33. Should this support level hold, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock took place more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO is currently showing several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Our analysis has been updated, raising our recommendation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we expect NIO to open lower with an anticipated decline of approximately 2 cents, starting at $4.46. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.